Hey, what's up guys, it's me Steven. I'm back with a new tutorial on how to edit Windows registry so as Photoshop to operate properly. Okay, so let me open my Photoshop. Oh, here it's open. I'm using Photoshop 2018 CC. Oh, so I'm going to pick up any image. Let me pick the first one. Okay, so the problem arises when you try to save an image. So when you save it, it brings up it prompts up could not complete blah blah blah. It's what it keeps prompting up. When you try to edit preferences and increase to try to reach out the performance tab, the computer crashes. I mean Photoshop crashes. So it's not going out. If you try to close Photoshop, it's not going out. So I'm going to end the task in the task manager. So just right click and end the task. This will kill the task and Photoshop will just go off. So here's what I did. I opened regedit registry editor and open the current user, HKey current user, then Adobe, the software part, then Adobe, then we go to Photoshop. No, I'm using the 120 edition, so I'm going to add the new keyword 32 over, then we write override physical memory MB, then modify it and go to decimal, then write 24000. Okay, and that's it. When you go back to Photoshop and run it back, it's going to be working okay. It's going to be able to save. What I did is the update from the Windows changed most settings, and Photoshop couldn't keep up, so you try to override the physical memory that was assigned on Photoshop. Basically when you save it, it's going to work okay. Use the JPEG format. Okay, yeah, and press OK, it saves, and the job is done. Thank you for watching. I'm Steven. Bye bye.